Hey, hi. So, like in the previous lecture, we saw like how we can create the IAM user, and with the help of that, how we can interact with the EC2 resources. But let's say we have one requirement where, like, without using the AWS IAM user, we need to interact with the other AWS resources. So, so let's say someone told you like uh, you don't need to generate the access key and secret key. But without that, you should be able to interact with the AWS resources. Then in that case, what we can do is like we can create the EC2 instance, and to that EC2 instance we can assign the roles, and these roles will permit the EC2 instance to interact with other resources. So like in this lecture we will see how we can do this in brief. Okay, so for that purpose, if you see here, I already have one EC2 instance that is configured. Okay, so, so this one is my EC2 instance, and previously we have configured one AWS IAM user, but I have removed that user, so now we don't have any access to the AWS resources, so we are not able to interact with them. Okay, so now uh, as we know, this setup is complete. So let's go to the EC2 instance. So the EC2 instance, I think it was created in same Oregon region. So go to the EC2 instance. This one is our EC2 instance. And here if you see, there is one part called as IAM Role. Sorry, this one. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to create the roles here. Okay. And in this role, so let's say for example, create one role. So that role here we should like select the trusted entity type, that will be AWS service. So it will be like allow AWS service like EC2, Lambda, or others to perform actions in this account. Okay, so this is what we are looking for currently, and here we just need to select the service. So this one is the service. It is going to have the access to the other service. Okay, here let's select EC2 only. Then next, so here we are going to provide the administrator access to this particular role. So here this one is the policy. Okay, and if you go inside the administrator access policy, policy is nothing but a JSON document that will define the permissions. It can be attached to like EC2 instances or roles that we see here in the JSON format. Here the effect is allow action in star, means it can do anything on resource that will be star. So like on any resource, it will be able to perform anything. Okay. So now we are good with our policy. Then we will go ahead, then we'll click on next. So the role name will be EC2 admin role. Okay. Then just click on create role. So now the role has been created. So we see here EC2 admin role. It has been created. Now let's move to our EC2 instance. So here inside actions, inside security, modify IAM role. We just need to create attach this IAM role, EC2 admin role, update IAM role. And if we go to our terminal, So I have already logged into my EC2 instance. Here, if you see here, like previously we were not able to fire this command AWS S3LS, but now I hope we should be able to fire this command and it should. Okay, so I think let's check whether the role is attached to the EC2 instance or not. Okay, let's log out. Let's log into the EC2 instance one more time. AWS CLI setup.py. So actually, it should be able to communicate with the resources inside our AWS account, but it is not able to do that. So why? So invalid access key. So I think here. An investigation I have found. Previously, I have created an EC2, sorry, IAM user, and for that I have configured access key and secret key. So the reason why I was getting this AWS S3LS invalid access key ID, because though here we have configured AWS CLI, but this user is deleted. And because of that, we were getting this error. So I just simply removed this .aws file, and like after that, when I fired this command AWS S3LS, you will able to see here we are able to get the files. With the help of this setup, you will be able to communicate to any resource in your AWS console. You will be able to interact with it. You will be able to create, delete, and perform read operations. So yeah. So this is how, like without help of any access key or secret key ID or any user, you can interact with AWS console just with the help of EC2 instance. So thanks for listening to this lecture, and please let me know in the comments if you have any query, any doubts, if you want any explanation on specific topics. Thanks.